Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this is just going to be a quick video on 3-digit subtraction with regrouping. I'm going to get right into it. So as I've said before you go into the subtraction, the first step is always to check if anything needs to be regrouped. And with subtraction, we regroup whenever the bottom digit is bigger than the top digit. So looking at the digits, in the tens place, 8 is bigger than 0. You cannot take away 0. You cannot start with 0 and take away 8. That does not work. You also can't start with 0 and take away 5. So in this problem, in the tens place and in the ones place, regrouping is needed. So before I do any subtraction, I am going to regroup. So I'm going to start off by taking a 10 from the hundreds place. And adding it into the tens place. So the 8 in the hundreds place is going to become a 7. The 0 is going to become a 10. Now, back when I was growing up, they called it borrowing. They called it borrowing a 10. But I don't use the term borrowing because when you think about it, you're not really borrowing. Like if I take a 10 from the hundreds place and put it to the tens place, we're not giving the 10 back. We never give it back. Borrowing is when you take something but then give it back, and we don't end up giving it back. So that's why I don't call it borrowing. All right. So I took a 10 from the hundreds place, added it to the tens place. The 0 becomes a 10. The 8 becomes a 7. So now I have to take a 10 from the tens place, add it to the ones place. So the 0 in the ones place is going to become a 10. And the 10 in the tens place is going to become a 9. So now I'm just going to double check, make sure all the digits on top are bigger. 7 is bigger than 5, 9 is bigger than 8, 10 is bigger than 5. So now that all the digits on the top are bigger, we can subtract. So 10 minus 5 equals 5, so we have a 5 in the ones place. 9 minus 8 equals 1, so we have a 1 in the tens place. And 7 minus 5 equals 2. We now have our final answer. 800 minus 585 equals 215. All right, that is my video for today. Huge thank you to everybody tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. I would do another problem, but my phone's going to die, so we are going to call it a night. Have a great evening, everybody.